Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore year-end closing entries in QuickBooks Desktop step by step clearly. To restore year-end closing entries in QuickBooks Desktop, begin by launching the QuickBooks application on your computer. Log into your QuickBooks company file using your credentials. From the home screen, navigate to the File menu located in the upper left corner. Click on Open or Restore Company from the drop-down options. Select the Restore a Backup Copy option and click Next. Choose Local Backup to search for a backup file stored on your computer. Click Next to proceed to the File selection screen. Locate the backup file for the year-end closing entries you want to restore. Select the file and click Open. Now, you will need to choose where to save the restored company file. Select a location on your computer, preferably a new folder, to avoid overwriting existing files. Click Save to begin the restore process. Wait for QuickBooks to complete the restoration of the backup file. Once the restoration is complete, verify that the restored file reflects the correct year-end closing entries. Review your accounts and ensure that all transactions and balances are accurate. If any discrepancies are found, make necessary adjustments within the restored file. Finally, navigate to the File menu once again and select Close Company to finish your session. Your year-end closing entries are now successfully restored in QuickBooks Desktop. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.